just talking people around the world to make me happy what they are doing in their country, what are nga naman na oh my son is hi Oliki, hi Oliki, haman hilom na oh gamay ra kayo
Ako sa bultong malata.
ayaw na
Lugma.
ugma si trapoy ng sipon hindi mo dito dyan kanina tapos kanang blue ayaw na kanang blue kaisa oh yan hilak diha sige naka dito sa gawas pag hilak kay nag live ko sige bab patambali ito namabot manggo ka dito my son is crying because he bites from the insect. Kaya ayun na, nabot pa ka dito pa, inom na itong tubig. Lakaw. Inom na. Akoy na sipon. Akoy.
Wala na napili mo kanina.
Akoy. Pakainom ang tubig dito ka.
Na.
Anong paborito ko ka lang napinig? Pakainom ang tubig ko ang tubig doon. Pasalamisa. Makmak is crying. Hello, good morning, Charles Caffrey. Hi, hello. You're from? I hope you guys subscribe if you're new to my channel. I'm from Philippines. Oh. Why? Charles Caffrey is from where? Hilom na lagi? Ha? Dito nabilin? Kung ano to niya, kainit.
Diyan.
Oh, inas dyan ka. Hi, hello. I'm subscribed a long time. Thank you.
Diyan ako pa napinig.
I'll have as a moderator. I will. Thank you so
Diyan ako
much.
pa akong napinig. Ako lang ilabay.
My country name is Philippines. I'm in Philippines. I'm here in Brazil on vacation. Oh. So you're from, you know, I've been not done to anywhere country. I'm only here in Philippines. I'm not experienced going to other countries. Visiting my farm. Okay. Wala pa man i-charge pa mo na ako ni. No. Yan na.
Ay, panulong.
Kamot, wala na na-charge. Sanawa. Oh.
Kuha ni dyan yung sanila.
I can't come because I don't have enough money to my vacation in other countries. So only vacation in Philippines. Ba't ka nag-lotion? Patong lotion.
Because sakit.
Lotion man. I can't come to Brazil. This you will come in Philippines. Philippines. Oh my gosh. Uy, pila na? 14%? Pila? O, dito. Palayo sa... I'm very expensive. It's very...
Man, wala yung color.
It's very expensive. Yes, I know. I can't travel because I have my son. When we got both to go, it's so very expensive. We don't have enough money to spend for vacations. Priority for food are the best. Yeah, it's the best. Yeah. Please guys, share my live and also comment and subscribe. You are very beautiful.